Hey there, everybody. I'm going to show you how to share your entire channel with teachers and students and parents and administrators so that all the work you're putting in can be seen and people can appreciate all of these videos. Now, I am on YouTube.com, and if you're not there yet, you can go to that website so that we can get started accessing our channel. If I see at the top right of youtube.com my profile icon, I click there and I can see that my GCDS email account or whatever your school email account is signed in. Now I'm going to press your channel. So here's the thing. When I press this, I've published videos that are publicly viewable. So I'm going to see videos here. If you've only published videos that are unlisted, you're not going to see anything here yet. So we do encourage you to publish some public-facing videos here. I'll get back to that in a minute. So regardless of whether you see videos or not, I want you to look up at the top left and see this big link. This link will get you to your channel. So if you were to copy this entire thing, remember to get the whole thing, copy it. So I'm right-clicking and pressing copy. You can do it on your keyboard with Control-C. This link can be emailed to people. They can find your channel that way. And we're sending out a form, a very simple survey for you to say what division you teach in, if you're a staff member, to check that box. And once you've copied it, go ahead and paste your entire URL in here so that we can actually access your channel. So I mentioned those unlisted videos. If your videos are currently unlisted and you want to share those videos, you can go up to your profile icon at the top right and press YouTube Studio. And in YouTube Studio, on the left-hand side, you'll see videos. So in this videos category, you can see all of your public and unlisted videos. Let's say I wanted to share one of these unlisted videos. I could press the three dots and then get shareable link. This is not going to show up in any search results on YouTube. No one can find this unless I actually send them this link. So if you're a teacher who has unlisted videos only right now, you can put your unlisted video in there and fill this out.